Today we're doing something that sounds way too simple to work. We're making pulled pork with basically one seasoning, salt. No fancy rub, no wrap, just smoke, thyme, simple Carolina vinegar sauce. Hey everyone, my name's Dan. Welcome back to Makin Bacon. Today we're firing up the smoker for a salt-only, no-wrap pulled pork sandwich with a simple Carolina-style barbecue sauce. Alright, so let's get this shoulder ready. Now if you ask 10 barbecue guys how they cook pulled pork, you're probably going to get 12 different answers. For this cook, we're keeping it simple. I'm seasoning the pork shoulder with salt, and that's pretty much it. No sugar, no paprika, no secret rub, just salt. Now that sounds crazy, but sometimes simple food can surprise you. Alright, today I'm using the Chef IQ wireless thermometer. It's perfect. You can do everything from your phone without opening that smoker door every 5 minutes. Because let's be honest, every time you open that lid, you're slowing down your cook. Every once in a while I will open it and spritz it, just to keep the outside moist, and look at that bark. The moisture helps attract the smoke, and that's what that red color is. Almost looks like a whole hog pork skin, to tell you the truth. We're rocking the smoker at 250 degrees, and we're just gonna let it go. No wrap. Alright. Once we hit 205 degrees, it's time to pull it off. Look at that color. Look at that bark. It smells amazing. This is probably about 5-hour cook and probably about 10 beers. This thing looks absolutely amazing, but we gotta let it rest. We gotta let all those juices calm down, soak back into the meat. We'll put it in the oven, wrapped in foil. Probably let it rest for maybe a half hour or so. Alright, while it's resting in the oven, we're gonna make that Carolina style sauce. It's nothing too complicated, it's just a few ingredients. Bring some tanginess, some brightness, and balance to that fatty pork. So we're going with some apple cider vinegar, some meat church Blanco, a little bit of hot sauce, and that's about it. We're gonna mix it up. Oh, but I did forget the red pepper flake, so we gotta add that. Once rested, comes the moment of truth. Look at that. Oh, it smells amazing. Man, juicy, smoky, packed with that bark. Look at that smoke ring. You can't beat that. Alright, gonna pull it till it gets to the consistency you want. I like a really small shredded portion. Time to sauce it. Just gonna spread the sauce, or spray the sauce into it, and mix that sauce in. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Look at that bark. God, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. Add a little more sauce I think it needed, so I'll mix that back in. And now we're about to build the sandwich. Just using a regular hamburger bun. Put some coleslaw on it to add a little crunch to it. And here we go, moment of truth. That is really good. You get that smoke flavor. You get that vinegar sauce coming through. And man, that pork flavor is amplified. So let's recap. Season, smoke, spritz, pull, sauce, and enjoy. So what I learned today is that you don't need a wrap, you don't need fancy rubs. All you gotta do is add some salt and have some patience. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. And as always, keep making bacon.